Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called PLRPower, which is a brand new self-updating PLR site creator that creates your own PLR website in a click, preloaded with 25,000 plus PLR products in various niches. Now you can have your own PLR website to sell PLR products, generate leads and make money with self-updating PLR products. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 35 amazing bonuses totally free worth rupees $15,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.